You can feel it. It's electric. Boogie, oogie, oogie, oogie. All right, y'all. I always hated that song. Speaking of electric, the electric vehicle sector is hot right now. And what name am I looking at specifically? Not Tesla. We already milked that bad boy for all it's worth. Well, maybe not. It might get to like 275, 300. That's besides the point. The one I'm really looking at right now is the one you're all staring at with me, and that's RIVN. RIVN. I don't really give a shit about the company's fundamentals, whether or not it's a good company or whether or not they're making money. I don't really care. This isn't a long-term investment for me. All I care about is the technicals, because this is a swing trade, and I don't care about fundamentals on a swing trade. And the technicals are looking pretty damn good to me right about now, and I'm going to break it down for you. So, I mean, this is the weekly chart on RIVN. This is a bottoming pattern if I've ever fucking seen one, right? And we just had a nice big weekly green igniting bar clearing that 20 period moving average on the weekly chart, which we've been under for quite some time now, and we're finally getting our asses back up above it. And you know, this is just ripe for a breakout in my opinion. Let's go to another view and check out the daily. So here we got the daily view. Okay, now I put some Bollinger Bands and some Keltner channels on here for y'all to take a gander at. That thick ass green line above and below, and then the purple lines that are above and below that. That's your Keltner channel, right? So the Bollinger Bands are inside that Keltner channel on the daily chart, and they're looking really squeezed, right? So that's called a TTM squeeze, right? And we about to squeeze this thing like some orange juice. And I'm looking for this thing to explode up like a rocket towards that 20 level, okay? And we got the 200 period moving average above on the daily chart, which to me should act like a little bit of a magnet, right? And if you look at the volume, which I'm not going to show you right now, the volume profile, that volume is ultra thin above that 15 level, and we're already at 16, right? We added this down in like the 14 area, you know, and you would have known that if you were in the Discord, but, you know, what are you going to do? But this is still a good area to go long, in my opinion, okay? So, but once that daily chart fires long, it's all set and ready to go towards that 20 level, right? So this is like a $4 move up to the upside at least, right? So we're talking about a 25% gain. That's pretty damn good. Let me show you, just to prove to you guys that we've been breaking it down. So here, a couple of weeks ago, we've been talking about this. We've been seeing the bullish call flow coming in, been coming up on our radar. We got the gamma exposure up at 17.50. So that's at least the first target. That is another magnet that price should gravitate towards, right? One more. Here we are again. Keep talking about it, right? It's ready. It's ready. Those 1450s that we alerted, they're going to pay. And then here's all that call flow that we spotted, right? The 17.50 strike calls for July 21st. Those, in my opinion, are going to go in the money, right? And we scooped those up in like the 70 cent area, so 0.70. Those are going to go to like 250, right? So we're talking about like a 4x move that we might be sitting on, right? And so to me, actually, I grabbed like the August 18th ones because those covered the earnings week. So I want to get a little bit of that earnings IV rush on this as well. So, you know, but that's how I like to play it. I'm also in some shares, right? So I'm looking to get paid on this one. So I figured I'd let you guys know about it before it starts getting a little too overextended. You know, I'm a nice guy. I want to help you guys out. I want you guys to make some money and make some good trades. So, you know, but, you know, if you want more of like a hands-on in real-time approach and you want to ask us questions about what we're looking at and why we're looking at it, then you should hop on over to the Discord and come check us out. All right, y'all. Peace.